Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Crown of Curls. Today I'm going to show you how I do these mini twists on my little 11-month-old baby Hope. These twists help to keep her hair moisturized as her hair gets dry very quickly. So the first thing I'm going to do is spray her hair with water. Then I'm going to use a rat tail comb to part her hair in sections. You can part it in as big as small of sections as you want. I did medium-sized sections. And then I'm going to start using some products from Alikay Naturals. The first product I'm going to use is the Lemongrass Leave In oil. Leave In conditioner, sorry. Lemongrass oil reduces hair shedding, promotes shine and volume. Then I'm going to go in with the Shea Yogurt hair moisturizer. The base of this is raw shea butter, which seals moisture into the hair. Then I'm going to use a little of their aloe berry styling gel. Aloe vera moisturizes and conditions hair and smooths the hair cuticle to help strengthen the cortex of damaged hair. Then I'm just going to go ahead and 2-strand twist. One of the main reasons why I love Alikay Naturals hair products is that all of their products are made with all natural ingredients. Here's what it looks like halfway done. I'm going to go ahead and do the other side. So now I'm going to spray her edges with some water, and I'm going to use a gel to hold them in place and use a baby toothbrush to brush and shape her edges. Really. So now for the back, I'm just using some gel to kind of lay down where she doesn't have a lot of hair for me to part, and then the pieces that I'm able to twist, I do that, and then just kind of smooth all the hair around it. And then I'm moisturizing her scalp by adding some oil. You can use whatever oil you like. Clearly that toothbrush was good. Alright guys, this is the final result. This lasts her about a week. I just take the twist out, wash it, and redo it again. I hope this tutorial was helpful. Let me know if you guys would like to see more BB hair tutorials, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.